Today we'll be learning on how to solve long division of polynomials. There are actually two methods on how to do this. This one is rather similar on how we divide whole numbers. There are a few things we need to remember or familiarize ourselves before answering. We have product law, the quotient law, and integers, solving anything related to solving integers. First, let's divide x cubed with x. Now, we can divide this by looking over here. Copy the variable and subtract the exponent. If you look over here, we have m raised to 8 divided by m raised to 5. Copy the base, which is m, or the variable. 8 minus 5 is 3. And if you look over here, 20y raised to 4 divided by 5y squared. 20 divided by 5 is 4. We copy the base, which is y. 4 minus 2 is 2. Let's try. X cubed divided by x. We subtract the exponents, so we have x squared. X squared times x. If you remember in product law, we copy the base. Here's an example. We copy the base, and this time we add the exponent. So 3 plus 9 is 12. So x squared times x, we have x cubed. And if you remember, this variable, there is an imaginary one. But since we don't write it down, just remember that there's a one over here. X squared times negative 2, we have negative 2 x squared. Now, let's subtract. We have 0 over here, of course. Over here, this is 0. So, now let's remember, in integers, we have to multiply this. So, negative times negative is positive. 6 plus 2 is 8. We have 8x squared. Let's bring down x. Now, let's divide 8x squared and x, which leaves us with 8x, a positive 8x. So let's add the plus sign. 8x multiplied by x, 8x squared. 8x multiplied by negative 2, we have 16x. Let's subtract. Again, we have something very similar to what we encountered over here. 8x squared minus 8x squared, we already know that's 0. Negative 1 or let's try negative x. Negative x, negative 16x. It will become positive, so negative x plus 16x, it's 15x. Let's bring down negative 30. 15x divided by x. We cancel out the x's which leaves us with 15. 15 times x, 15x. 15 times negative 2, we have negative 30. Let's solve. We have 0 again. If it's like this, we multiply the sign so it becomes positive. Negative 30 plus 30, it's 0. Now, the answer for this, or the quotient to be exact, x squared plus 18x plus 15. You can actually get the remainder in this as well, but I will do a separate video on that, as well as the other method we can use to solve this. I hope that you managed to learn something from this video.